All right, just got back from Springfield for the Turkey Bowl. Ran fourth to Bobby Pierce. This is Monday morning unloading, so getting everything out the bottom, all of our dirty tires, all of our spares. Getting ready to get the car out. It's still in there, dirty mess. There's Tim, he was late today. Get all the rugs out. Got our four-wheeler and pit bike, crash cart, what was left of our dirty tires that didn't have flats. So getting ready to pull the car out. So wrap of our wash day. Got all the car washed, body panels, all that's clean. Four-wheeler and pit bike. Tim got the trailer all shined up. Got our new rugs in. Starting our maintenance program now. Got the hauler inside of it all cleaned. Tim's getting the car on the lift. Tomorrow will be a maintenance day with Tim. I got it all washed and cleaned up. We'll finish getting this one ready, and plan is to head to Boot Hill Speedway in Louisiana this coming weekend, so stay tuned. All right. Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday morning, March 7th. Just getting to the shop. Another day. A little more chilly out today than it was yesterday. Yesterday I was in shorts and flip-flops. And today I've got my long johns and my thermals on. So, get the lights turned on here at the shop. So yesterday, got everything unloaded out of the hauler. Got the car stripped down, washed, everything's cleaned up. Today will be a maintenance day. Go through the car. Tim's already started taking all the shocks and springs off and kind of going through that. Today I'll probably start on some tire work. Dismount all of our used stuff that we used up over the weekend. Get some new tires ready for Boot Hill. Welcome to Tuesday morning, March 7th. We went to Springfield for the Turkey Bowl. Had a test session on Saturday. Probably made 4 or 5 sessions, just working on some new things. Trying for the season. Some stuff that Marshall's and the guys that worked on all speed weeks. So then Sunday afternoon had a beautiful weather. Give a shout out to Jerry Hoffman for what he was able to work his magic on, giving us a pretty good racing surface. So kudos to him and his staff. So it was passing points, which sucks. Typically don't like doing that kind of stuff anymore. But drew an 85, put us 4th heat, starting 6th, able to run 2nd. That put us 3rd overall in passing points. Started 2nd row in, ran 4th. Bobby Pierce won. Logan Martin was 2nd, and Dylan McCown was 3rd. So, and then Peyton Looney rounded up the top 5. So overall, first night pretty good. Didn't tear nothing up. Had no flats. I know whoever's pretty familiar with Springfield, I don't know if there was a flat all night. At least the top 5 didn't have a flat, so that's pretty impressive. Normally that's a tire eating son of a gun. So just real quick, kind of like what we talked about just a little bit earlier. So normally the get done washing, we write down our notes, keep track of our laps on motors, rear ends, transmissions and stuff, so we can keep track of when to pull things out, get refreshing, change oil, stuff like that. So just keep everything fresh and up to date and limit as many problems as we can. So Tim's getting some shocks done. Ignore that loud noise.